Welcome back to Wild Science, where you learn about science, but in the wild.
Hello, I'm Flynn Phosphorus, and today our adventure is a phosphorus cycle. It's the biogeochemical cycle that describes the movement of phosphorus through the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Now, today we will be exploring this magnificent cycle in real life to further educate ourselves and hopefully learn a thing or two. These are our guests who will be teaching us the science behind the cycle. We got Alessandra and we got Leslie here with us today.
Well, before we learn the cycle, we need to know what it is. Phosphorus is a chemical element found on Earth in numerous compound forms and are located in water, soil, and sediments. The quantities of phosphorus in soil are generally small, and this often limits the plant growth.
Phosphorus is an essential nutrient for animals and plants. Animals absorb phosphates by eating plants or plant-eating animals. It plays a critical role in cell development and is a key component of molecules that store energy. Insufficient phosphate can lead to a decreased crop yield.
Phosphorus moves in a cycle through rocks, water, soil, and sediments and organisms.
Over time, rain and weathering cause rocks to release phosphate ions and other minerals. This inorganic phosphate is then distributed in soils and water.
Plants take up inorganic phosphate from the soil. The plants may then be consumed by animals. Once in the plant or animal, the phosphate is incorporated into organic molecules such as DNA. When the plant or animal dies, it decays and the organic phosphate is returned to the soil.
Within the soil, organic forms of phosphate can be made available to plants by bacteria that break down organic matter to inorganic forms of phosphorus. This process is known as mineralization. Phosphorus in soil can end up in waterways and eventually oceans.
Dissolved phosphates precipitate out of the solution and contribute to the ocean sediments over time. Conversion of sediments into phosphate rocks is a very slow process. Geological forces can slowly lift up phosphate rocks from the floor to form mountains. Hopefully, after watching this video, you've learned something about the environment and the phosphorus cycle. Until the next time, I'm Flynn Phosphorus, and this is Wild Science.